How to create a cloud like this in After Effects. It's very easy, and let's get started. First, create a new composition. Make it full HD, frame rate 30. Duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Create a new solid, and I'll name it Cloud Background. Go to Effects and Presets and type Fractal Noise. Drag and drop on your solid. Go to Fractal Type. Set Basic to Subscale. Change Brightness to 3. Open Transform. Change Scale to 600. Go to First Frame and keyframe on it. Then go to Last Frame and change Scale to 610. Go to First Frame, keyframe on Offset Turbulence, then go to Last Frame. Decrease Y position. Go to Effect, Color Correction. Tri-tone color. Change mid-tones color to sky color. Also change shadows color to sky color. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Turbulent Displace. Change amount to 10. Size to 150. Go to Evolution, Alt and click. Then type time *30. Create a new solid, and I'll name it Cloud. Change color to white. Create a new ellipse mask. Open mask. Increase mask feather. Go to Effects and Presets. Type Turbulent Displace. Drag and drop. Change displacement to 60. Amount to 90. Complicity to 4. Go to Evolution, Alt and click. Then type time *15. Go to Turbulent Displace, Control D to copy, change amount to 70. Size to 40. Press T and decrease opacity. Press P for position, go to First Frame. Keyframe on position, go to Last Frame. Decrease Y position. Control D to copy your solid. Press P to remove keyframe on position. Press R for rotation. Increase Y rotation. Press P for position, go to first frame. Keyframe on position, go to last frame. Decrease Y position. Okay, this is our tutorial. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.